But first, new this afternoon, 4 people have now tested positive for the coronavirus out at the homeless shelter set up at the fairgrounds. News 4's Tosin Fakile is live with how Metro Health Department is responding to this outbreak. Good afternoon, Tosin.
Good afternoon, Holly. Metro's coronavirus task force said the 4 people were screened before entering the shelter here at the fairgrounds, and those screens show that they came out negative with any kind of symptoms. Now, that screening process involved looking for things like fevers and asking the 4 people certain questions before they got in. And officials say after the 4 people started showing symptoms of the virus, they were moved to a self-isolation portion of the shelter for people awaiting test results. Once those test results came back positive, Metro Health began investigating. That investigation revealed there were 13 people at the shelter who were in close contact with the 4 who tested positive. Those 13 people are also being tested. Now, health officials say there are 198 people in the shelter who are well. And Dr. Jahangir says the CDC and the Metro Public Health played a major role in the setup here at the fairgrounds. And they say they took several steps to prevent cross-contamination.
So we try to minimize cross-contamination of even the well individuals from one pod to the next. So that's one way we try to minimize contamination if there is a positive case, because obviously we always thought about this scenario.
And he says every day here at the shelters at the fairgrounds, they follow cleaning and sanitation protocols. Now, he also says the 198 people here at the shelter who are well, plus staff, will be tested today. And once they get the results back from those testings, if they need to move people to a different location, they do have a third location where they have beds set up for people to stay. But he's hoping it doesn't come to that. We're live at the fairgrounds. I'm Tosin Fakile for News 4 Nashville.